Jump like a wounded lion in the jungle, like a wounded lion in the jungle, like a wounded lion in the jungle, in the jungle, in the jungle, in the jungle, yeah.
We had a pretty standard week of training. Right now I'm walking down to do some training right now. Got this beautiful new longboard. I'm just gonna do some videoing of everybody learning how to surf, and we're gonna go have some fun.
Yeah, a little bit further in. The goal is just to kind of see if you can surf with the wave like this way. So not like, don't go too much straight. When you get up and standing, you'll be trying to go more that way.
My instructor, Christian for the day. Well, my instructor told me to. We're not gonna ride it straight in. We're gonna try and curve it to the
There you go.
left. That right. That's the right.
As happens when you're kind of a new surfer, sometimes you cut people off. Made the mistake of not looking left, bailed off the wave, and he was able to make most of the rest of the way through. As soon as I saw him there, bailed right out. He comes swimming up, and then like look behind me because I hear a voice, and he's going, "Hey, like, what language can I speak to?" And I was like, "Oh, English. My Spanish is my strongest. Next time you do that, I'm gonna fuck you up." And I'm like, "Whoa, what are you on about? Like, I know that I cut you a little bit. I'm sorry for that. I didn't come anywhere close to running you into the rocks. Like, this is a 3-foot wave. There's no danger to you or your life or anything." Like, Dan came in and you were talking to him for a bit, and he was just getting so mad about everything. Like, nothing you said to him was helping. He like paddled really hard, kind of retarded style, and then Malia, who was left of him, saw him, started paddling and caught the wave, and he like flopped on the top of it and sat down and kind of like slammed the water and got a little mad about it. And then I think I watched him try to go for like 2 or 3 more, and he just wasn't having it.
Were you ready to throw punches?
Oh yeah. I want to show him what the butt end of a paddle tastes like.
So we were all out surfing, and I'm there standing beside Casper, and this is like my worst nightmare. I'm sitting on my board beside Casper, and this guy paddles over to Casper, and he looks Casper dead in the eyes, and he says, "If you do that again, I'll fuck you up." And Dr. Dan paddled over and tried to smooth over the situation, and this guy just wasn't having it. Like, he told Dan that he just didn't give a fuck, and that Dan was trying to tell him that there's beginners, it's a small wave, we all make mistakes, and this guy was just so irate, and he pushed Dan's board, and I for sure thought there was going to be a fight in the water, so I paddled away because I was a little scared.
Have you ever been in a fight before?
I'm not going to comment on that.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You're getting silenced. She's getting a press.
What does a good instructor say?
Flat.
Flat on top.
Don't hold the rails.
Don't hold the rails! Hey Kath, what do you do when you're waiting for waves? How do you beckon the waves? Do. Show me.
Guess where you want the waves to come from. Are you doing it right?
Throw the water.
Over your head.
Oh, Malia's got it.
What happened other than the first? I just got stuck in the rocks, and you're not supposed to be in that area. But I saved my body, and most importantly, the board.
Good morning, Dan here. Just getting ready for my run. This morning we went out and paddled to El Farro, and I did a bunch of intervals. So 2 minutes, 3 minutes back and forth for an hour and a half. and the waves were so big out there today. One of them I was able to catch and ride for 750 meters is what I measured it at. And I had to paddle a little bit like throughout the wave to stay in it, because I caught it like really far outside, but it was pretty exhilarating. Right now I'm just getting ready to go on a run, and every day here I got this carpet that has my dog's hair on it, and every day, well, maybe every 2 days, I just use my feet as little lint brushes. Look at this hairball that I got. Once a day. Thanks, Arrow. That's what you get when you have a husky.
Lion in the jungle, like a wounded lion in the jungle.